Hey guys, it's Tiffany from supereasymath.com. Today's math problem of the day says a recipe calls for 2 eggs for every 4.5 cups of flour. How many cups of flour are needed if 6 eggs are used? Well, for this example, I'm going to set up these numbers as a ratio that looks like a fraction. So I'm going to put a 2 up here on the top and then 4.5. I'm also going to clarify what my numerator is versus my denominator. So I'm going to write E for egg, so all of my numerators are going to represent eggs, and I'm going to write F for flour, all of my denominators are going to represent flour. Well, I know that I'm currently working with 2 eggs, but I need to get all the way up to 6, so I'm just going to keep doubling this number or adding this amount to the next answer I get until I get to 6 eggs. So if I have 2 here for 4.5 cups of flour, I'm going to make it 4 eggs for 9 cups of flour. If I were to double this fraction, I'm going to end up with 8 on the top, and I already know that's too many eggs, so I'm not going to double it. I'm going to add this number to it again, and that gives me 6, and then the denominator is going to be 13.5. So the answer is 13.5 cups. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to supereasymath.com where you can get my top 5 math tips to make learning math easy.